To enable or disable mobile data saver on POCO X8 Pro or Pro Max, what you can do is you can go to security. Now over here in the security app, you want to probably scroll all the way down and open the toolbox in order to find the data usage option, although sometimes you can find it here in common features. But most likely you want to open the toolbox, so you can find it in here. Now once you open the toolbox, if you go here for the first time, we need to agree to send app and network usage and diagnostic data. In here we have the information about the data used, and what you can do is you can tap on this setting in the upper right corner, and then over here you can edit the data plan. So you can tap on data plan option on the SIM for which you want to toggle the data saver, and then over here we can set up the monthly data limit. So if you set up the limit over here, you can press OK, and there we go. Now we have the data limit enabled. You can also choose what should happen when the data plan is used up, and you can also manage warnings over here. There is also the option that allows you to enter the current data usage if you want to customize it, and also you can go to the usage warning in order to, for example, set up the daily data usage limit, which can be very helpful as well. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.